Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. It wants you to return.
Yes, the elusive driven prep. Or I guess in general, any car show prep really. What I'm talking about is the Driven car show that's happening in our city in a few days here. So Driven is actually one of the more well-renowned community car shows that takes place on this side of the border. Now the one in Calgary just passed, it already happened, and it's completely my fault for being a tad bit late on the vlogs. But I mean, usually leading up to a car show, it's like pure prep mode. And then it's hard to find time to edit the vlogs, but I'm just making excuses at this point. We will be attending the next one in Edmonton, which is only like a couple of weeks away, so August 14, maybe we'll see you guys there. I guess fortunately, we are having one this year, but unfortunately, we're doing it to ourselves again, where we're working on our cars super last minute, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get the Supra done in time. And just to get you guys caught up, if you haven't been following us on the channel for long, the Supra looks stock again, but the past few days, while Simon's been here, he's just been helping me wide body this thing, putting the streethunter kit on. And then yesterday was the last day of him working on finessing all of the body stuff that he did. So all the cuts, he properly welded and sealed it. If you look closely though, did burn some of the PPF that's still on the car, which I decided not to take off. Nut certs properly inserted. I mean, she looks stock again, except for the front lip. And I know streethunter actually has a carbon front lip made for stock body, so it wouldn't have this aggressive edge. This is what connects to the rest of the kit. So not really much I can do on the Supra while we're waiting for the pieces to get painted. Now it's all a matter of seeing how fast he can paint the pieces. Driven is in like 3 days. I don't even know. I've just lost track of time. Today though, mainly we're just gonna be cleaning up the FRS, fixing any wiring issues, and I'm gonna see if my friend Kendrick can come by and help me fix some of the dents, especially on the roof. Mostly vanity things, making it look pretty on the outside, and also working on the inside. So I'll have one of my friends drive the XB with all the booth stuff inside it, all the chairs, flags and whatnot, and then we'll just keep it inside the show. It'll make everything so easy. And then I don't have to worry about cleaning the interior of this in the beginning of every show. Let me show you guys what the lighting setup looks like right now. Kind of ugly. So there's actually green LED strip down here. Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it. And then here we're supposed to have a green light, which is burnt out. Green light down there, which is burnt out. This white light is burnt out. So at night, the lighting setup is kind of uneven and kind of ugly. But yeah, we just have several lights that are burnt out that I need to replace. But whatever, you guys know, when there's a deadline, you work twice as hard. Sometimes like 10 times as hard. And I don't know why you can't just use that same motivation throughout every single day of your life, really. I'm telling this to myself. Also, I think Gutsu is actually getting something special installed on his car. Let me take you guys inside. Whoa, what's happening in here? What are these? What are these?
They're my home for the next 3 weeks.
And there she is.
I hurt your lift, bro.
What?
Your lift. Hey, what up? That was weird. How are you?
Good, man.
It's finally uncut.
Yeah, exactly. Supra's fairly done enough. And over here we got Eddie working on his own car for once. Looks good, man. So what he's doing actually is he's putting PPF over the Innosatec wrap, which is already pretty glossy and like reflective in itself. But when you double up like that, it looks like paint reflection. Seriously, look how sharp I am. God damn, man. It's hard to tell. I want to see what this looks like in sunlight. Yeah, what's that?
Dr. Durkee's
Excuse me, yeah, Dr. Derps?
Performing surgery on my car.
Yo, the fact that they're using water downstairs and making this place so humid, it's hard to breathe, bro. Romeo!
It's gonna look sick. I bought this thing 6 months ago.
Oh, I know.
Finally putting it on.
Yo, you're telling me, man, my Street Hunter kit, 2 years in the waiting, man. But it's okay. Better late than not. Check out what my brother's working on, guys. Look at this. I showed you guys little updates the other day, but it's taking shape. God damn. Like, literally cut out every single individual piece separately, stitched it together, and then even got this Decepticon logo embroidered from a different shop. Pretty crazy, man. If you guys know what this color scheme is based off of, comment in the comment section below. Right now, he's working on actually mounting them to the soles. Is that what you call them? This part?
Lasting.
Lasting?
Yeah, I'm lasting it.
Crazy process, man. Is that your size?
Yep, size 10.
Things first, get rid of this ugly trim. Had to tape it here because I didn't trust the middle. Look, it started peeling off.
First things first, recipes Uncle Phil.
No, you said, no, I didn't!
No, you didn't.
Hey, on camera, on camera. What else can we take off this thing? This.
Are on the way.
Oh, okay. What? It's because you stole Simon's.
Sorry, Simon.
Feels guilty, so he ordered $30 worth of Red Bulls. Yo, I don't like this thing, it's ugly. I'm gonna peel it off too. I think I need the heat gun, dudes. Let me show you. I peeled it off on this side and it looks so much cleaner. That piece was a little ricey, okay? I admit. I like the sleek look. Alright. We got new edge trim. This is that gold stuff that I use on the splitter. We're just gonna install this really thoroughly this time. I mean, this isn't even meant for the splitter, but it looks cool. I mean, what I mean to say is it matches. Alright guys, both sides are cleanly wired.
Clean this dirt right here, man.
Come on.
Look at this, man.
Yo, I did my best. I ain't no electrician. Alright, so I haven't even tested any of these lights, so I don't know if any of them work, but let's do that now. Looks a lot cleaner from the outside though. Night mode.
Okay.
Yo, that looks sick. Lights work again. So 2 green ones, which you can actually turn off. So you can go a little less legal. This side, lights working. So much more clean back here too. And I can take them off when I need to take the bumper off. Remember, it's a button right here we can turn off actually. So this is the setup with just daylight running lights. Sweet. Just looks so much better without it. Okay, so Sunny's girlfriend recently just adopted this little devil of a dog, and it's the perfect balance between a Pomeranian and a Husky, otherwise known as a Pomsky, which is like perfect. Not too big, not too small, and playful enough. It's just so cute. Look at it! Look at it! Gohan's gonna get mad at me when I get home. Then over here you got Eddie making more work for himself. PPFing over the wrap, which is in Ozotech. I think this wrap actually has such a nice reflection, but the fact that he's putting extra layer of PPF over it makes it that much more reflective.
And hopefully durable.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, it's like double protection basically. And I just can't wait to see your car all put back together.
Yeah, me too.
Here's a status update on the Airlift installation in Gutu's car. So pretty much Simon has all of the components of the Airlift system installed. I mean, it's kind of different for all cars, but also at the end of the day, it's up to you where you want to place the compressor, more so for convenience sake. And also you want to make it look pretty. You have so much play when it comes to managing the system, but really it's up to you where you want to place it, where you want to feed the wiring. Like, I'm sure you've come across some at shows where they're finished with actual home floorboards, steel wire lit up with LEDs and covered with acrylic. The possibilities are virtually endless. So all it really needs now is a calibration and Gutu's good to go. I'm telling you guys, Simon makes light work of this stuff. Thank you, Papa Simon. Simon's actually leaving now. Here, little care package.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Simon, till we see you again.
Yes, sir.
In Vancouver.
Yes.
Okay?
Sooner than later.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
Before driven.
Thanks for everything, homie.
Thank you.
This guy has to drive another 10 hours back west.
Yeah. Make it 8.
Yeah, exactly. In less.
Take
Drive
care,
safe.
okay?
Yes.
Drive safe.
Eat your
Okay.
halls.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy. Have fun at driven.
Yes, we will. I'll keep you updated. Or I'll, as soon as I pick up the painted parts, I'll send you a photo.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Derps.
Thank you.
Bye bye, bye bye. The dogs miss you already. Oh, he'll be back. Simon's the only one that's left with Gohan because he was in the basement on the floor. So they were always together. Simon!